I would encourage you to try example number 4 by yourself. You will get a whole number for an answer. And then you can come back to the video, hit play, and see if you did it correctly. For me, as I work through this problem, I'm going to turn every mixed number into an improper fraction. Again, with a negative, you ignore the negative sign and go through the procedure. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So I get 21 halves times, we're going to do the same thing here. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So I'll say 17 sevenths, and I'll make that negative. Next, I'll say 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So we go divided by 17 thirds. And last, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Before I cancel, I can only cancel through multiplication, so I want to make sure I have all multiplication signs here. And so I'm going to rewrite the problem as 21 halves times negative 17 sevenths. And then because this was division, I will multiply by the reciprocal. I'll go times 3 17ths times 10 thirds. And now I want to look for opportunities to cancel or reduce. Screaming at me to take out those 17s, so I'm going to cancel the 17s. I also noticed that the 7 and the 21 can be reduced, so I'll call the 7 1, 21 3. And then that opens up an opportunity for these 3's to cancel, either here, or if you wanted to jump, you could do this 3 with that 3. Keeping in mind that it's going to be like an eye for an eye. You cannot take this 3 with both of those 3. It's only 1 3 with 1 3. So I'll cancel here and here. In a similar way, the 2 and the 10 can reduce, so I'll call the 2 a 1 and the 10 a 5. Now as I multiply through here, I get 3 times 1 times 1 times 5. Essentially it's 3 times 5, which is 15. And then for the denominator, it's 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which would be 1. Most appropriately, we'll call that the whole number 15. That is example 4.